Hi there, this is the B sound, as in the words begin, bring, and believe. It's a sound from the consonant pairs group, and it's called the voiced bilabial stop. And this means that we use both of our lips to block our mouths. The B sound is made through the mouth and it's voiced, which means that we use our vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by the shape of our lips and the motion of airflow through our mouths. And it's a stop sound, which is a sound made by building up air pressure by stopping airflow and then releasing it. In this case, we use our lips to make the stop and then release it. To produce the sound, bring both of your lips together and build up some pressure in your mouth and then release it whilst voicing out at the same time. B, b, b. The B sound is normally spelled with the letter B, as in the words be, but, and job, and about. Here are some more words that begin with the B sound. Between, before, black, and best. Here are some words with the B sound in the middle. Problem, number, public, and maybe. Here are some words with the B sound at the end. Tube, describe, absorb, and suburb. So that's it for the B sound. But we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds: vowels, diphthongs, single consonants, and consonant pairs, as well as a video explaining the phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video with lots of examples and an explanation of that sound. At the English Language Club, we also offer live online classes via Skype or Google Hangouts. To make a booking with me or one of our other teachers, visit our website. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. So please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.